In 1998, the United States was in the Spanish-American War. After the war was over, we went on to gain many of their territories such as Cuba and the Philippines. At first we claimed that we were going to help these places that we claimed to be savages to become more civilized. We went on to be hated by the Philippines and more specifically the Moro. They were a Muslim people group of the Philippines who lived in a large crater. We later went on to murder over 600 Moro civilians by going to the top of the dormant volcano and shooting down with rifles, Gatling guns, and other advanced weaponry, and only 6 civilians survived the attack. The specific orders for this horrific event were to kill the savages. This order was given by General Wood. When this happened, the Moro were armed with simple weapons like sticks, spears, a few muskets, and other primitive weapons that were only able to kill 18 U.S. soldiers and injured 52. This attack was known as the First Battle of Budaho. However, the Philippines were not the only place that America used force to try and help less developed civilizations. After this event, the United States went on to control the Philippines by forced education, religion, and manual labor. Religion played a large role into this attack on a small Muslim people group. Many claimed that if we were going to truly help these people, it was necessary to convert them to Christianity. In history, whenever a nation claimed this, it was almost always seemed as an excuse for killing large amounts of people. One thing that most Americans won't acknowledge is that we were really carrying out the idea of manifest destiny, and that what we were doing was because it was our God-given right to rule over most of the world. And also, it was our duty from God to help the non-Christian savages to see the light. You can see this throughout history and imperialism with Britain and other European nations with their colonies in Africa and many other places around the world. You can also see this many similarities between the Moro massacre in the Philippines and the killing of the Native Americans in North America. So if you look throughout history, you can see over and over again that many of the larger countries will take over and murder entire civilizations with the reasoning of religion, salvation, and manifest destiny.